everyone. Respected Chairman Sir, Chairlady Ma'am, Director Sir, School Head Ma'am, all the teachers and my dear friends. I gleefully welcome you all to this online assembly. Today, on this special day, I would like to say a few words. On 14th of November, all over India, we celebrate the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehruji loved children. That is why he celebrated his birthday with youngsters and dedicated this day to kids. Nehruji always wanted to be amongst children because he loved children so much. He was nationwide known as Chacha Nehru. He always said children are the future of the nation and thus they require the utmost care and love. In India, almost every school celebrates Children's Day with a lot of enthusiasm. Nowadays, children celebrate this day with fancy dress competitions and music competitions. Students speak on Nehruji, his actions and contribution to independence. Children are in fact future of any nation and are invaluable. Hence, they need proper education and a good, healthy, positive environment to live in. With this, I end my today's speech. I thank you all so much for giving me a chance to voice my thoughts.